Viewing your payment history on Regions Bank is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to quickly access your payment records. Step 1. Log into online banking. Before changing your settings, use the iShrock.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 2. Navigate to the Accounts section. Once logged in, locate the Accounts tab on the main dashboard. Click on it to view all your accounts linked to your Regions Bank profile. Step 3. Select the relevant account. From the list of accounts, choose the specific account for which you want to view the payment history. This could be a checking, savings, or credit card account. Step 4. Access payment history. After selecting the account, look for an option labeled Transaction History or Payment History. Click on this option to view all recent transactions, including payments made. Step 5. Filter and review. Use any available filters to narrow down your search by date or type of transaction. Review your payment history as needed and take note of any important details. By following these steps, you can easily access your payment history on Regions Bank. If you have any questions or need further assistance, consider reaching out to Regions Bank customer support.